I guess I just did not expect it to be as efficient and as work as well as it does. We had, no expectations. We were just thinking, well, it'll supplement our heat in the winter and, maybe cool part of the house, but it's heats beautifully, it air conditions beautifully.
And when you look at it on the computer and you read about it, it really doesn't tell you that much. When a salesman comes, he's out to sell it, basically. So, you have qualms about that. And I think it surprised me that way. It lived up to whatever the person told us that it would work, the way it would work. Exactly. It cost us about 1,000 gallons of oil, from 900 to 1,000 gallons of oil the first couple of years we lived here during the winter months. And at $3 or $4 a gallon, it's quite a bit. And last year we only burnt 400 gallons of oil, 455 I think it was.
The first few years we were here, we had room air conditioners, and they pull a lot of electricity. They're expensive to be using. And these 2 summers that we've had this system, the electrical costs have not been as much. It's been cheaper to run this system, which has air conditioned the whole entire downstairs very, very well, with little or no increase in electricity.